New arrival, Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop commercial. I've said it lots of times in previous videos, but when we buy them, we pick them where they've got option after option. And you can see just by the front of it, it doesn't look like your average 90 Defender. It's got adaptive LED lights. It's got upgraded black pack. It's finished in Eiger Grey. It's got upgraded 22s. It's got the LED mounted lights at the top, 22-inch urban wheels, electric deployable tow bar, side steps, spoiler, mud flaps. It's loaded with extras. It's done 7,000 miles. It's 52,990 plus VAT, so it falls into a really competitive price range for commercial buyers. It's one owner. It's done 7,000 miles, and it's beautiful. Eiger Grey as a colour is something that you don't get very often. A lot of the ones we've had have all been like blacks, whites. I think the grey suits the spec. Like I said, the wheels transform the look of it. They're 22s. The steps, I'll start at the back. So if we move to the back now before we go inside, just to show you these other extras. So rear spoiler, spare wheel cover in gloss black. And then if I show you in the back, you've got that huge load space. In this particular one, the bulkhead's been taken out, which I think people prefer. That can be added back if required. You've got an electric deployable tow bar. Again, big extra. And just look at the condition. The car's done 7,000 miles. It is beautiful. It's like new. It's like new. You've got 2.5 years Land Rover warranty and Land Rover Assist as well. And then let me show you inside. So that's all the extras on the outside. This is what we've got inside. So on a commercial, it's got the 2 seats in the front, but it's got the optional centre armrest that's paid for. Makes the seating position much more comfortable as well. It's got the cold climate pack. So you've got heated steering wheel. You've got heated washer jets. Digital cockpit in front of you. And if I just start the car up, there's the button there for the LED mountain light. I'll just show you that. See that? Press the button on and off. And then you've got all your standard features as well. So I've mentioned about the cold climate pack. Automatic lights, automatic wipers. Into your seats, you've got heated seats driver and heated seats passenger. And then you've got wireless Apple CarPlay. The camera system is absolutely superb. And you've got off-road and you've got towing assist with it having the electric deployable tow bar. You've then got Alexa, your driver assistance, all your other features you would expect. Centre armrest with storage makes, like I said, much more comfortable inside. Great car, massive spec, and it's in a very competitive price range. Any more information, the number's on the bottom of the screen. You can call me direct. These commercials, highly spec'd, sell instantly. Thanks for watching.